I'm off on another wild camp. It's about an hour's drive away. It's only a little spot, but it's one I've been wanting to do for a while now. And it's getting late in the year, and it's only like a few shrubs. And I wanted to go before the leaves fall off and you're exposed. So it's going to be a bit of a low profile, stealthy camp today. See you later. The sun's just going down. I've probably got about an hour, about a 20-minute walk. I'm going this back way. The footpath is over there. Going this way, a little bit more hidden. Well, I'm at the location. Unfortunately, a lot of it has died back and it's quite open now. Just in there. Last time I was here, all that was totally covered, and the top here was covered. This is quite opened up now. It's a pain, but I think I'll do it anyway. I haven't got long to the sunsets. Right, I'm finally set up. Sun's gone down. It's going down really quick. Got this little tarp up. Trouble is, it's a little bit short in the bivy, so each end of the bivy bag sticks out a tad. But I'll show you what I've got. I've got the envelope shape 3-season snug pack, the Navigator. That's just on a Urban Escape quarter length mat. I thought I'd try that one. It's a little bit thicker. I thought it'd be a bit nicer on the stones. And then there's nothing under there. Under here I've got a yoga mat with a reflective film taped on. And then this crappy tarp that I really should get rid of. It was a bit of a mission to peg out, but I sort of managed to bodge it. And that's home for the night. What I've done is I've just stuffed my backpack in the bottom there. It's hard to see because it's a bit dark, but as you see, it's lift the bottom up. You've got that raise to the top there where it's tied down. Most gunshots. I've just cracked open one of these Samigals. There's a lot of gunshots going off over in these wooded area. It's all swamps in there, it's like swampy marsh and mud, so I couldn't go in there. I can't step out too much because just over there you've got the caravans, and then the ranger's office is just over there. A lot of the vegetation's died back, so it's really open, which is dodgy. I'm trying to keep everything low down and quiet, so no fire tonight. Just behind me is a big caravan site and the park ranger's office, so probably not the best of places, but other than gunshots, it's nice to listen to the birds and things, and just about hear the sea from here. No, it's quite a way. So I'll try to get you some better pictures in the morning. Cheers. Well, I'm in my bivvy now. It's only about 9 o'clock, but it's getting a bit chilly out, and I've got a little radio with headphones. I've got to listen to something on the radio, chill out for a bit and relax. Putting the bag down at the bottom end here, I do feel a bit more cramped. My feet are like squishing against it. I don't think it's one for something who's bigger than 5'5" or 5'6". It's a bit cramped, but I can't be asked to leave it now. Yeah, so I'll listen to a bit of radio and go to bed, go to sleep. So, night night. Morning, campers. It's 6 in the morning. I think I would have to get up and pack away pretty soon because it's very open and there's a footpath just over there. And the rangers are about. Little bivy bag thing, Dutch Army bivy bag. Done alright. It's only the past hour I think I got a little bit chilly because the wind's picked up, but it's not cold. I was actually toasting last night. I ended up sleeping actually on the sleeping bag because it was so hot. That mat done alright, that's quite comfortable actually. Keep moving about, that's the only thing. That's that. I was gonna make some breakfast, but I think it'd be best to get going. Last night I had to keep going out there to go up onto the beach. Whereas beach is just pebbles, there's no sea. Because I don't want to go out over there, because just over there there's like permanent caravans, and they had the windows open, there's like blue fog lights and stuff, so that's a bit dodgy. I was just in there. It's not too bad from this side. I can't really see it. Just starting to pack away, put everything in the bag. Because already I could hear people about. And as I say, I know the rangers are about. Sun's rising over there. Caravan place over there, and people keep walking by here, so it's only a matter of time. So I'd rather pack up and get going. All packed away, so we had the top and the bivy, everything packed in this bag here. It always seems more when you pack away because you're sort of throwing it in as a rush, so it's not packed as well, but I can't stay here much longer. I've been seen, so I'll go for a walk and maybe make a coffee elsewhere. Alright, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Cheers.